All right, guys, so this is just going to be a quick announcement video because I meant to put this in the video that I'm currently editing right now, and I totally forgot to mention it, but my next DIY is coming very, very soon. I'm editing the video right now. So since we're just about to hit 60K, that giveaway is a Muggle Magic Mystery Box. I'm gonna announce my 70K giveaway. I've been sitting on this giveaway for like months. It's been since like December of 2019. I've been sitting on this. I was going to hold off and do this for my 100K giveaway, but I have something else planned for that. First of all, in this box, I have all 7 Harry Potter books, and these are the American First Edition ones, so the book covers I designed for Accio Box will fit on this set. So I'm going to give away this whole set of Harry Potter books, and on top of that I have another box over here. So in this one we have, does anybody know what this is? If you ever got my book covers in Accio subscription boxes, you'll know that that's exactly what these are, and this is the full set of all 7 book covers that I designed are all right here in this box. So you will get all 7 Accio book covers that I designed, brand new, still sealed, and then you're also going to get the entire set of Harry Potter books that they fit. So yeah, I thought this was a really cool giveaway to do. I know I've been getting so many questions about how you can get these book covers. Well, you can't really buy them unless you find somebody who's selling them. Accio Box doesn't make them or sell them anymore. So the only way you're really going to be able to get these right now, or the easiest way, I guess, would be entering my giveaway. And the giveaway link's going to be in the description box below on YouTube. So that's it. That's it. Just a quick announcement. I am giving away the Accio covers. Let me know what you guys think. I'm pretty excited about this. I think a lot of you will be too. I have my own set, so this extra set was sent to me by Accio in December just for this giveaway. So yeah, thank you Accio for supplying this and making this giveaway possible. And that's it. I hope you guys are excited as I am, and I'll see you in my next DIY video coming very soon.